detail. The first thing I noticed today when she was talking, that what I felt when I got it from you, is that that's the first question I asked you today. When she first put up when y'all were on the call, the first one
Hmm.
where the screen is dark, did you know you was being recorded like y'all both were on live?
I noticed I was being recorded. Wait, which live?
No,
So I
I
could be
saw the
sure.
two of y'all on the live, but I know the first one you definitely didn't know nothing about.
No, when she first put the proof out, and everything, I didn't know. And I told her, and I was like, why would you post them? And I wasn't ready. I didn't tell you. She's like, oh girl, I thought you wanted me to post them, and I wasn't ready for her to post them. Then the second live, I mean the first live we ever did together on Instagram. I don't know if she was recording or not, but we was on live.
The second time, yeah. So, what made you reach out to her?
I reached out to her because I was tired of getting manipulated, and I know I was getting more manipulated and mentally abused because when she came out, I was just like, okay, yeah, so you really playing with me, like you really playing in
So
my
you
face, and then
thought
to
you
say,
were the
oh,
only girl at that point?
I thought I was the only girl.
Oh, so you didn't? Oh, okay. So, oh wow, General. So, and how long were you with him at that point?
After the fact I found out,
Yeah.
I was talking to him for like a month, like 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
You said
Cause we was planning on this month Tuesday to go. He was gonna fly me out to Orlando.
no. How long overall? Like how long? How many
Oh,
years you
two
been with him?
years.
2 years.
2 years I've been talking to him.
How
Yeah,
you met him?
I met him at the club, Next Level in Lauderdale Lakes, and I was with my friends, and he was with his friends, and they bought a bottle for our table. We was partying with him. It was a good. We all was having a good time, and then they invited us to an after party. So we decided to go to the after party. So he went to the hotel to go get his Louis bag. When we come back outside, we see his front car. All his windows was all broken. All of them was mashed up. So no,
What?
the plans are canceled. Someone break out all his friends' window. So the plan was canceled. Everybody go home. So then the next day, I was at work around like 10 something. He called me and I didn't know who he was because the number wasn't saved. And I was like, who is this? And he answered. He was like, oh, since you don't know who this is, I'm gonna leave you alone. So I realized, like after I heard the voice, I realized who it was. So then I called back and I was like, oh, okay, I remember that. And he was like, you at work? And I was like, yeah. He was like, can I come get you? And I was like, sure. So ever since that day, we just been chopping it up, vibing, like getting to know each other, building a bond.
And how old
And
were
then like
you?
18,
Oh, okay. So,
yeah.
so
And
after
then
that, at that point, when did you find out he was married?
I found out he was married after. Okay, so after one day I was just chilling outside my house, and my friend she come. This is how my friend met him. Cause even though she met him probably before, she forgot who he was. Like she already forgot that night too. So when my friend when my friend came down, I don't know why she came outside, but she seen it. She was like, I seen you. And I was like, as a joke, I was like, you ain't see him, you didn't see him. So when my friend got comfortable with him, everything, so she would drive the car around, like she would drive us around. She was basically our chauffeur. And we'll be in the backseat vibing.
Wow.
Yeah, vibing. And so one day we was doing errands, we was doing what we need to do, and then my friend had to do her hair, so we went to her aunt
Mhm.
house. So we went to her aunt house, we pulled up there, and then her aunt came outside. And my I'll remind you guys that I've been posting like snippets of him and stuff like that on my story. Like you know when you post like a sneaky link or
Yeah.
something, like little
Yeah.
snippets and
No
stuff of
face,
him.
no case type shit.
Yes, I've been posting little snippets or whatever on my main and my close friends. So the auntie was watching my story. So when we pull up, she see the car. So we go out, we go inside, and we inside, and she was like, that's CMR, and I'm like, and I don't know him by CMR. I'm like, who is CMR? And then she was like, this CMR. She pulled up on her phone like this CMR, and I'm looking at the phone, and I'm like,
But how long
wow. So this
did
nigga,
you know him at this point?
I know him for like 2
Oh,
weeks. I'm gonna say 2. Yeah.
okay. Go on with the story. Me just never want to forget. Go ahead. So the girl, no, sorry, the girl showed you. I keep forgetting. You say you don't understand power. So basically, she showed you the phone, and that's how you found out.
Yes,
Stop
that's how I
reading
found
comments,
out when she
them,
showed
cause
me.
them are gonna cuss you. Don't pay them the mind. Make them go on.
Yeah.
Don't read.
So when I okay, so when I seen the phone or whatever, that's when he came to come pick us back up, and I asked him like, why did you lie to me? Blah blah blah. I'm still cussing him,
So he
and we reached
literally
the B.
looked at you and told you he was single.
Yeah.
He don't wear wedding ring.
No.
Huh? Oh, okay.
And if he do got a ring, it's not gonna be on a wedding, like a wedding finger, where you put your married.
Oh, so when she showed you the phone, what happened now?
So when she showed me the phone, he came back and could pick us up, and I started cussing him in the car like, why you lying? You got a whole family, blah blah blah. And we reached to the B&B, and I'm still cussing him, and then he trying to explain to me and make a full explanation on why he lied and da 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 da. I'm not gonna say everything he said because the wife already have too much pressure
We
on her,
respect
so
that.
I'm not gonna add more pressure on
No,
her.
I just want you to give a vague thing. Like, what was the energy he was trying to tell you why he's doing it?
The energy,
Yeah, without violating her. I'm a up
like,
lady. I don't know none of the parties here, but if you come for her, me I go cuss you now. Me just I tell you now from now. But go ahead. Your friend will tell you what I said later. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting that. You don't understand.
okay, so the reason why, okay, he's not in that happy home.
Oh, oh,
That's it.
oh, both of y'all said the same thing though. Wow.
Who?
That's what Shani was saying too, that he's saying he not happy. He's not in a happy relationship. So then what after that then?
So after that, I just, like, I don't know if I didn't want to let go of the bond. Like, it was the bond. Like, I really fucked with him.
Yeah.
And, it's obvious. I was talking for him for 2 years. So it's like,
And he
I
got
didn't want to let that
and
go.
you was like that was the only person you was talking to?
That was
Like
the
you ain't
only person.
talk to nobody
That
else?
was the, no, that was the only person I was talking to. Literally dedicated to this man.
So and then me soon get
Let me talk to other guys, like digging through my phone. Every time I'm with him, dig through my phone. I can have nothing in my phone.
whoa.
Like, yeah, like all in for me, all in,
And
all in.
I heard you express that you could go to his phone as well?
Yes, I can go through his phone. That's okay. Remember that TikTok that went
Yeah, I was
viral
gonna
and
ask
her
about that. Yeah.
yes, and her watch Chrissy work was on there.
Yeah.
I be on his phone, so I took the TikTok with his phone because I be on his phone,
And you send it to yourself?
and I sent it to myself.
Oh, you didn't realize the handle was on there.
He didn't he let me send it to myself. I could record. I could do anything I want.
Okay, so
I'm
does the wife know you? Come here, them said the wife boxed you, slapped you before. Is that
no,
true?
she didn't slap me before. Let me explain that situation.
Okay.
Okay, so in that situation, we was in the B&B. He put us to the B&B so we can do a music video, and then he did it in a way like I didn't know why he was actually coming. Like, I think he just coming to see me, and I wasn't prepared for no music video. So when he came there, we was in there just chilling, chopping it up, doing stuff. And his wife was outside in the car. His wife was complaining about sitting in the hot car for so long. That's what it was. Nobody fought. Nobody nothing. Nobody did nothing, and she was just rah with my friend. Basically, they was rah, just arguing. And that's what it was. It was no fight. It was no crazy, like, it was just arguing.
And before you came out and spoke to Shani, did she know anything about you?
No, I had to find out about Shani because it came out all on the
Internet.
internet. And I asked him, like, what is this? And he's like, babes, it's a prank. Same thing he told his wife, he said to me,
So I'm
babes,
telling.
it's a
Oh
prank.
God, I was about to American. So he told you it was a prank too?
Yes. He told me it was a prank. And I was like, I'm going to block your ass. I'm going to block you. And he's like, don't ever block me. I have the receipt. I'm
Oh
sorry.
God.
Yeah, I have the receipt for that too. In the screenshot, I think it's already posted. She already exposed everything before I could even
So
talk. But
you
yeah,
didn't believe. So you Bling, me didn't want you come. Can you add Bling? But Bling, she don't understand Jamaican either. So you have to talk American. It will be easier for if you talk American. But Bling, no, hold on. Me just remember Bling. You have to be fair too.
but I can add her because I have somebody here to translate, so she can
Me can
request.
translate too, but me watch you talk English. But so the other day when we all seeing it, that she's seeing it real time too. And you didn't know anything about her before this.
Huh?
And you said you didn't know anything about her before this. I mean, she didn't know nothing about you before this.
Nope, she know nothing about me, and then I have to find out about her. And I've been here before her, but I had to find out about her because I'm not in the light. So when I did find out about her, oh, it's a prank. And then I was like, I'm gonna block you, and he was like, don't block me, don't ever block me, don't think you could ever block me.
What?
And he,
So he was
mm-hmm,
threatening you? Like he's aggressive?
he was like, he's aggressive, very.
What?
And then like another thing,
Oh,
um,
Bling, them say you block too much people. Just all right, stay down there so then. All right, go on. Sorry. They said she blocked too much people, so they say you block too much people, Bling. Go ahead. Hold on. Go ahead, talk.
okay, yeah, and then like he been posting me on his social. Like he would post like I was in a bikini, a white bikini. Nobody not gonna notice though. But he was posting me like I was a fan. But he was really posting me like. But he gonna make it look like I was a fan, so it don't be like so noticeable. But
So what made you want to talk now?
woman, cause after I seen the shiny situation, I'm like, you really playing in my face, like you manipulating ass nigga, and I just feel like it was sick for you to keep continuing to talk to me after you got exposed and got caught. Like, that was so crazy to me. After this man told me, babes, it's a prank, he's still
Wow.
talking to me like nothing ever happened. Like, we
So
was gonna.
when the last time you seen him? Was that true? Well, when the last time you saw him?
The last time I saw him, people calling. The last time I saw him, I'm gonna say day before, 2 days before. Yeah,
So this whole
at a
time,
hotel.
after the Shanny situation, basically you started feeling some type of way, and you don't want to fuck with him like that. You
And
ain't want to fuck with him like
I
that.
just feel weird because I feel like you was sick as fuck for keep talking to me after you got caught. Like, that just is weird. I don't know.
Maria call you. We can't stop calling now.
Somebody keep calling, like, damn, leave me alone.
Yeah. So damn. So was it true that he was trying to move you in the house at one point?
Yup. That's why I became homeless for that little month or so. I was homeless for a little bit because he caused that.
What
Oh,
happened?
I want you to move to Orlando closer. I want you to move to Orlando closer to me. I'm gonna play as his brother girlfriend,
What?
and I got my best friend, and we're gonna move into a room in their house, and yeah.
Are you serious? So why did it happen?
We didn't find a place.
No, I thought they said he was gonna move you into his house. Oh, not
It
into.
didn't happen. It didn't happen. So we supposed to look for a place. I didn't find a place.
But
So
so
that's why I didn't stay in
but
Orlando.
wait. Hold on, cause we can't speak past that. But why?
So I slept in a hotel before we actually when he was planning on moving me to the house.
Yeah.
I was sleeping in a hotel, and then I just feel like
Oh.
the plan is crazy too. Like, I don't even think I want to
Yeah,
risk it.
coming
That's
up. I
just
was just gonna ask you, like, that shit ain't sound wild to you, like you was
that
gonna
shit
do
is
it.
wild as fuck. That shit is wild as fuck, bro. That shit is wild.
But so you was gonna do it?
He was so aggressive. Like,
So
he's
but how
like,
he was gonna pull that off? What was he gonna tell his wife? Like, or did he
I'm
ask
with
and
his
she said
brother.
no?
I'm supposed to act like his brother's girlfriend. Like,
So why it never happened? Sorry, cut them. I see them. You probably got to put your phone on do not disturb. Why? So I was asking you why it never happened.
I don't know. Maybe his wife.
That's crazy. That's wild. That's crazy. So today, Shani was upset because I went on live
He
on
put
Blink's
anyway.
live.
Hold on. While we was sitting in the hotel, while we were just sitting in the hotel waiting on his man, he hired someone to look for apartments for us. I think her name was Ashley. Her name was Ashley. I think. Or I don't know. I don't remember, but I know it started with an A or it started with an R.
What you say?
Riri or something. Huh?
You gotta say it again because your connection was kind of messed up. Say it again.
I said while we was in Orlando waiting like to see what the fuck he finna do, he hired someone because we was in a hotel. He hired someone like paying money for days in a hotel. He hired someone to find an apartment for me and my best friend.
Oh, so where were you moving from? Damn them keep
Hello?
up color.
Hello?
Yeah.
You said what? I'm
Where were
sorry.
they? Where were y'all? Where did you move from?
Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, it wasn't a big move. So I saw about him while you moved close.
Yeah, like that's 3 hours away from me. So he was
So
tired of keep driving down, and then like eventually when we didn't get the apartment, and I just stayed my ass back where I should have been, he will fly me up.
so hold on now. Hold on. So he moved. So wait, it looked like so. I don't want to come out that way. Well, you was like you're scared of him in a way, where you were like scared of him.
Yeah,
Do you?
cause he's just so he he was a soldier.
Oh,
He was
oh.
he was a soldier, and like he just know like his words and shit, like how to make you feel like it's okay and it's just so comfortable, and like I don't know, like that nigga is weird.
Like
I
controlling,
was like, huh?
like controlling.
Yes, controlling. Like he will know how to like, you know how you could just, you know how you could talk to somebody and make them like think something different. Yeah.
Wait. So how was earlier they were saying something to you about the baby? How the baby thing went?
So let me show my receipts. So I'm a type of bitch that keep receipts.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I keep messages. So yeah. So I had an ectopic pregnancy. I didn't have
Me
an
know
abortion,
Shani I go
even
live
though,
now. Me know Shani I go live now. Go on.
even though even though I pray and I thank God, like I'm not an abortion person. I mean, if I don't want a baby, I'm abort it. But I'm not abortion. But I thank God that I had it because I did not want to have the baby. He forced me to. So let's start off. And I show my scars already. I'm not doing that again. So let's
That's
start off the
not.
paper.
Ain't not a care.
Let's start off with this one. So let me show my name. So you see ectopic pregnancy.
Oh, you had ectopic pregnancy. That wasn't
And
an
then
abortion then.
wait, where's my name?
All right, no, all right, move it. Oh, you didn't have abortion. You had ectopic pregnancy. Oh, okay.
A miss. You could call
Oh,
it a
yeah,
miscarriage. You could call
yeah.
it
It's just
or a
in the
miscarriage.
wrong tube. I understand that. Wow. So, see, you didn't have abortion. See, guys, she didn't have abortion because they was asking. So earlier, I went on Bling Live. That was over here, and Bling is basically over there saying, I was just listening to Shani. To be honest, I never followed none of this shit up before because I didn't give a fuck. I didn't really care. But today, I was on my Aunt Puss Live and Bling that did the interview. Miss Bling did the interview with Shani. She came on our live first, and we were talking. They were telling me about the situation, which I knew a couple of months ago, or a couple of weeks ago. I saw the Shani and the CMR thing. I didn't pay it no attention. I just heard it like everybody else. But today, what I didn't like is when I even cammed up. I probably I reacted in a negative manner when she got out of pocket because I feel like she's just not taking accountability and just blaming everything on this man.
Can you give me a moment, please? Give me a moment.
Don't cry no more, mama.
One moment.
No, babes, don't cry. Oh God, I don't like this shit. I don't, and that's what I was trying to show Shani. To be honest, at the end, now I'm gonna get fucking mad. At the end of the day, Shani too blood clot worthless because if you know what you went through, why you gonna want this girl to feel it too like this? And then talk about people for help. You should have been over here on the live with her and not trying to be so busy about hurting the wife and saying like, damn, we both went through the same fucking situation. I cry, don't cry with me up here, you know, come here, I go get crazy. That's why I said,
I
Shani,
just
you're fucked up, and I said it today. I see them all over there about Team fucking Shani, but at the same time, nobody's peeping. This was my point of view, how she used this girl. She used her. I even today, I said nobody's not realizing this girl didn't even know she was being set up. She went to her because that's the only person could kind of understand what the fuck she going through because they both went through the same thing. And that's why to them I say it. But believe her, she not lying, she not rude. Even just a while ago, I just asked her a question. You hear what she said? Out of respect for the wife, she don't want to say certain things. That's why I said Shani use her blood clot germs. And when today we attacked to you, you got upset. You want to talk about healing, but how the fuck you healing? You should have stayed out of it. You should have let her come talk her side or even told her like, you know what? It's going to be a lot to come with this. People going to, you hear what I told you the first thing I said? Don't read the comments. Because when people have fans, they have fans. So they're going to say shit to you. They're going to act like they know the person. They're going to go off of their fucking beliefs. If you say you depressed and you suicidal, why the fuck would you want her to feel the same thing? That's what I was saying today. You used her. And to me, I'm like, bro, you shouldn't even be in your bag right now. You should just be worried about healing yourself. It could be worse. It could have been you. You could have a baby. And with you, Shani, big pussy girl were rude to me today. You have a track record of fucking certain niggas with money in the scene. And you still ain't get shit from it. Today I even seen, I ain't bringing up no fucking CMR. I'm not. Even when it comes to Chrissy, I say Chrissy's delusional. Chrissy has adopted to the Jamaican lifestyle of side bitches and wives like it's okay because I'm the wife. The difference...
after today, like I'm not talking about it no more.
And you know what? And that's what today I felt like I seen how she used you. I'ma know what them did I go do. Them did I go try bring you down on them something that. Even today when I was saying with Bling, I was like, Ada, even so you told Bling you wanted $400 for an interview? You try to capitalize, baby, but you should have came on YouTube with me today. I told you. You could go on YouTube or live with me. I'm gonna tell you what to do.
I send you what when I go live, when I press live.
Yeah, because you have to have 1,000 subscribers to be able to go live from your mobile. Yeah.
I'm gonna show more evidence on the YouTube live.
Yeah, if you wanna, you could. That's why today I understand that you're trying to get your bread, but then that's why today I was asking you to come up on her live so they could hear your side. Because the last time the both of you guys were on the live, to me it's like she's trying to lead you or overtalk you because she's emotional. Even when it came to the sex question, maybe I gonna get part now too. So I wanna say the man body a little bit and wanna stay with him so long. Oh, sorry. I got to talk English. I got it. I'm sorry. How you said his body's small? Y'all was saying his penis is small? So how y'all stay with him so long?
Cause I had rate him. Like I just
so he looks like he's a nice person though at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So how was it? But the body's small. Oh God. Sorry, she not lying when y'all the buddies. Are y'all just mad or y'all just saying that?
He took out he even met my mom and took her out.
Oh God.
I really liked that.
It's like basically you were in a relationship with him.
I was in a relationship with him basically, and it was for 2 years.
Yeah.
And then when I found out about Shani, I was like, why would you do that? Like, why did you have to go find someone else? Like, damn, 2 wasn't enough for you?
Yeah.
And he's
like,
yeah. And then like me, like getting pregnant and
Cause
everything,
maybe
like that was.
and I was out here thinking and accusing you. I said, look at that girl. She probably got 4 other niggas using them for money on her body. You see, I didn't even know you was this nice.
I really fucked with him. Like,
No,
I really
I
did. Like
seen that today. You still not disrespectful. I seen that. Rika, leave her alone. No, she
and
not.
even when y'all be, even when like they be cussing me and stuff, and I don't understand them. So
Oh,
none of that shit really hurt me.
shit.
I'm sorry.
Oh, damn.
When
That's
they be like,
solid.
"Bomba clad, God move on, God kill," I don't
Because
know.
I
I be
thought you
like,
was a straight Yankee. So when I saw you put up the Haitian, I'm like, oh, she Caribbean. Because that's the only reason he ate your pussy, because you American. Because he know the Jamaican girl's going to talk. You got her pissed off, though, when you hit her with all that he was doing for you. That's what really got her going crazy right now. Because she thought she was getting special treatment. At one point, that girl must have thought he was going to... Did you ever think he was going to leave his wife for you?
no, no, I didn't want, and I didn't care if he did or not.
Okay. Shani look hurt, man. When you told Shani that he eating your pussy, that hurt her, bro. And
Yeah, cause
you
I been knew she was hurt when I had like a video. She was like, "Oh, she's like, you got proof?" I was like,
oh,
"Yeah."
she ain't had no
That was
videos
my
in the
nigga.
phone. So how did you feel today when she tried to say that he R-worded her? Cause we can't say that. They'll take away the live.
Oh no, I'm not in that. I don't like when she even mentioned that, like, you using my face. Like, I don't like that.
So
That's bad energy.
so you
No.
don't so you think she's lying about that? She said he tried. Did you hear
Yes,
today?
of course. Of course. That nigga, he's not a rapist. Well, I don't know. Well, I was in the room, but when I'm with him, he don't give me rape vibe. He never forced me to do nothing.
So do you think, did the wife ever know about other girls did he ever tell you about any other girls before you?
No.
So he made it seem like this is the first time?
He
What?
never cheated before. I mean, no, he did admit to me he cheated before, but he never just did what we had. He never did
Oh
that.
God. And oh damn. And I just know that you nice and you respectable. Yeah, well, don't be like Shani though. Real talk.
Hell no.
Don't be like her. Don't cam up and feel like you got to answer to every fucking body. Don't, cause today my thing where it was weird for me is where, all right, it's your story, but she the one pushing it. You understand what I said?
Yeah,
That's
and my story, and you want to talk my story. You wanna. I didn't even get the chance to post what I want to post. I wake up in the morning, I see people following me already. I'm like, what the hell? Why would you do
yeah.
that?
She said, but
I
she
mean,
said you doing this for clout, and you said you want followers and numbers.
not if it's for clout or followers. I don't really give a damn, honestly. If I get the clout or the followers, I just really want to, like, show, like, stop playing with me. I want to show him stop playing with me. Like, for real. Like, you play in my face. You dead ass. I feel like you
So
mentally abused me. And all the shit that I've been through, I feel like that wasn't necessary.
So did you agree to have a baby with him though?
Hell no. Hell
Oh, it
no.
just happened.
It's just overwhelming because, like, I can't believe you put me through that. Yeah, it just happened.
Wow. Oh, so he didn't plan it.
He probably did. I don't know.
Well,
But
you.
I know I was in the plan.
Oh, I thought he had a discussion because you said something
He
about a
wanted
boy baby.
yeah, he did tell me he want a son. And he's like, one day you gonna have my son. You gonna have my son one day. You gonna have my baby.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, but I just don't want you to be like her. Today I seen the play. I noticed nobody else was talking about that part of it. And when she went up there, like all I was gonna say to her, if you want to heal, you suicidal. I see what this internet would do to a person, right?
Yeah.
And that's what I was gonna say. And sooner, but the first thing I asked her was, did you know that he was married? She act like she doesn't take any accountability. Cause now it's like I felt the storyline and I'm not taking up for the fucking man. I keep saying that shit. I don't know him. I don't give a shit about him. People were saying he talked to young girls, like 15 and shit like that. That's what they were saying. So that's the only thing I said. If that's what he doing, that's fuckery. Even you, I think, are too young for him to talk to be honest. For him to be a grown ass man and you're 18, you know, he could, but you're easier to manipulate. And that's just the bottom line. You understand me? I said, you're easy
Yeah,
to manipulate. You're going to learn that you young. I don't want you to use this and break you. And I notice you take accountability, though. I
I
keep
do.
saying that. I don't think you lying. Everything that you said, and you still haven't tried to tear down his wife. There's certain things you ain't answering. You just like, no, especially if it's going to affect his wife now. So that even shows that you really did have love for him. And I see why he respect you more.
I feel like that's why he trusted me, cause he trusts me. Like for me to like be able to do all that, I knew he trusted me.
It is because they trust. It's not really. It's. I don't want to. I don't want to break your heart. There's trust, and there's also a part of being manipulative. Because to be honest, you see how you American, you are less
Yeah,
likely to come back to the Jamaican community. You hear what you said? You say you don't even really understand patois. So it's you're better to deal with than a Jamaican female. You see why that shit lasted 5 months and yours was 2 years? Cause
yes.
it's
I didn't
gonna
know he was
come back in
Jamaican.
full
I didn't
circle.
know he was famous. I didn't know he was famous. So yeah,
And we know she knew he was famous, so it is what it is. But don't even the snakish behavior. If I was you, I would just cut her off because I see where
oh
she.
yeah, been
Yeah, I
been
would
did
just
that.
cut her off and keep it moving. People are gonna come in your DM. People gonna curse you. People gonna say shit about you. You just got a big following base.
But I don't
No,
give a fuck, cause
start a
they be talking
business,
about.
live life. I see that you've been traveling. Shani, you reach? You want to come up here and tell us why you was being a little Judas today? Eh?
Oh, Shani in here?
She been watching the live with us from earlier. She was upset. That's why I put up that post and told her to come suck me. And she reposted it. Because she's rude. Because my thing is, you got a humbleness about you. We asking her questions. If you want to come out and tell your story and people ask you questions, how the fuck you going to get mad and be disrespectful? That's what I was getting at. And I was actually going to give her positive ass information saying like, yo, we all took a nigga before. I would be lying to you. My husband that I got now, I took from a bitch. And no, a bitch could take that nigga anytime. But I was going up there to tell her like, listen, you just went through all of this shit. Why are you going to involve yourself now again? Why you don't let the girl talk her own story? Or, to be honest, advise her and tell her what's gonna happen. This shit ain't easy. Niggas is gonna attack her. They gonna bring her down. You think they're gonna look at her and say she only 20? To me, it's like she trying to use you as a sacrificial lamb.
Got
You
you.
were you was quiet as shit. I saw what she did today. Even when you asked for the $400, I ain't hating on that. Fuck that. You got to profit off of this shit. Because to be honest, everybody gonna fucking use you. But at the end of the day, they know you. They gonna say, nigga, well, basically you don't have a platform. That's what they gonna say. You started your live and I came over here. You already had 2,000 people sitting on this bitch. I know I ain't bring niggas over here like that. I don't even have that following. Right now I'm hiding. I didn't want to do this. But that's why I kept saying, go over to Bling, go over to Bling. But at the same time, Bling too can't say, oh, I'm Team Shani now, over $400. She got to let you cam up and talk your side too. Just like I would have gave Shani the opportunity if she want to send in a request and come in and talk your side. I want to know why that you went through this shit and you would bring her down like that. You went on TikTok today playing voice notes that the girl sent you. Why
And then
would it?
let me tell let me tell you, my bad to stop you.
You good.
When we was on live, the first time we was on live, I remember when she was replaying, like when I was playing my proof, she wanted to play her proof. Old
Yeah,
proof that you
it's not
already
about you.
played.
That's what I
That's
said to her today. It's not about you. But this girl was on live saying she's suicidal, my nigga. She wanted to die. You're depressed. So why would you set this girl up like that? She didn't give you permission. You acting like she told you to put that shit out.
and you know they're gonna come bash me. I wasn't ready yet, and you still just
She
jumped and
told
did
you
it.
she didn't know you recorded her the first time. And then you over there saying because she wanted followers. Tell the truth. Because you hurt. Right now, you probably thought she was real and
older
solid
than
with you. So when you hear that he had a bitch for 2 years, that would have hurt my fucking heart too, nigga. But I'm not gonna come up and put myself in that situation again.
exactly.
Shani, did you send in a request? Y'all saying add Shani. She could come up here. I'm never biased. That
I
shit
didn't
is
see no
weird.
request. Hold on, it's low. I don't know.
She sent in a request?
I don't see
Oh.
it.
Well, if she didn't, she didn't. If she did, she needs to say add. That's what I want to know today. Today, that's all I was camming up to
Oh,
ask
I
you,
haven't found her.
and you got disrespectful with me and made me call you a big pussy bitch, and I didn't want to do all of that. Because all I was just asking you a question. Did you know he was married? And if you know you went through certain things, you depressed, you suicidal. Them said, no, I did not take you out.
I'm gonna add her. I'm
No,
gonna
but
add her. I'm
no,
gonna
they
add her.
already played the caller. Is I don't know if she in here. She in here? They said she in here.
There she go. I found her.
Damn, they said make Shani go one side. Damn. They dealing with you wicked too, Shani. It's your attitude though. Cause today
It's
I
the
really wasn't
attitude.
I really wasn't trying to cuss you because y'all young girls. Maria never did I try to cuss you. Y'all young girls. At the end, you know what I would expect you to do, Shani, as a real blood clot, y'all gal? Oh damn, I gotta talk English. The two of y'all should have teamed up then if that's the case and be like, yo, this is where I fucked up at. This is where they made me look crazy. Make sure you got your evidence. If you really wanted to bring a nigga down.
I thought that was gonna happen.
No, but if that's the case, that's what she really should have. Today you showed your fucking feelings, bro. They asking what's your TikTok.
It's Cass Kingdom, but it's down right now. But I'm gonna remake a new one.
Mind them report when you make it, just put it in another story.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right now, to me, it's like you hurt and you so concerned to get back at CMR and his wife that you was ready to sacrifice her to feel everything. If you feel like you want to kill yourself over a man, first of all, you got to love yourself. No man should ever come before you where you feel like you want to take your life. Because I wasn't coming to down you. I wasn't coming to down you at all. I don't fuck with depression. I don't fuck with suicide. I'm crazy as batshit. I got a disorder. So certain things I'm like, damn. So to me, what I felt like is, damn, you were setting her up to be the sacrificial lamb. Everybody did like a blood clot rush her. Even me, I didn't want this girl on my life, Cass. How much time you heard me say, no, no, go over to Bling. Please.
Yeah.
Fuck
You
you,
did.
Reefa. You know my time God said I don't even want, this is what I used to do, but I have time for this. But when I seen like how you was throwing her under the bus, that shit was fucked up. You over there playing the victim of, oh, he was abusive, and I should talk about the rape. You started bringing down this man to the ground. And I'm not taking up for him. But if you can't say you love a person and when you hurt, you still try to hurt them. You already knew that nigga was married. You put yourself in that position. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to take some accountability too. When you found out he was married, you continued it because you're young. You probably believe, yeah, I love you or whatever, whatever. But she been with him for 2 years and you've been with him for 5 months. Why the fuck would you want to put her in that position to feel suicidal, to feel depressed? She didn't even get to put up the shit. You put up the shit without her permission.
And then I feel like it was just so wishy-washy. 1 minute she loved Chrissy. The next
What?
minute is like a
What do you mean
different.
she loved Chrissy?
When she kept saying, I don't want to hurt Chrissy. Da da da. Like I feel it for Chrissy.
She was trying to use you as a sacrificial lamb. Today she was more concerned of who was the brown girl he was with on Christmas. That's what I heard today.
On Christmas?
She said they were saying he was with a brown girl on Christmas, and if it wasn't you, that's who she was concerned. Here, there's another girl. Then they said another girl must have said she's in Jamaica and she's about to tell her story too. She acknowledged that she knew he was talking to other girls.
This girl want to stay irrelevant so bad. She's gonna go try to find the girl that he was with on Christmas, and I don't know, and I don't give a fuck.
Yeah,
Cause
just don't mad out like Shani. Shani's going through it, but I expected Shani to stick with you. You understand? Basically going through the same thing just a while ago.
yeah,
Even if you decided to out him, or even if you didn't decide to, that should have been your option, and that was fucked up.
it was.
Anybody else, who just don't come out, who stay away under there.
I wanted to add her. I wanted to add her,
Who
but
Shani?
yeah, it's not
What
working.
what is said? Unable to join,
It's not showing the request.
or maybe she don't want to take the request.
I don't know,
Shani,
but
you might as well come up here because you doing this for numbers too. I just saw you on TikTok. You need the followers or whatever. I don't know. You gave her a lot of shine. It ain't looking too good for you though, Shani. You got to move on. Cause if this is 2 years for her, even when she just stepped out the car, I felt fucked up. I don't like that shit. Cause I wish a nigga. They saying they don't even want you to add her. They saying no.
they don't want me to
They
add
said
her.
no, don't add her.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, cause she just went on live with Bling again just a while ago when you first came on. And then earlier, that's why I told her to come suck me because it was like, oh, Momo's over there bashing me. You were rude today, bitch. You were rude.
See what? That's what happens when she hear the truth. When she hear the truth, she get mad. Like she don't want to hear
If you
nothing.
want to add people to the live, it's up to you. But I'll sit here. But I'll be here.
I'm not gonna. If they don't want it, they don't.
No, because I know you see the box. You got requests. I know you got requests. Because people going to want to ask you
I,
questions. So it's up
but
to
it's
you.
not loading. I'm trying to add, but it's not
Damn.
loading. Much. It's too much. I think it's too
That's
much.
why I was trying to make you come to my live. Because it
Okay,
would have been
I can
easier.
do that. I
As
can
I
do
was
that.
telling you. All right. So this next part, we're gonna add people and let them talk to you.
All
You
right.
feel uncomfortable? Yeah, but you look like you can't manage road. You look like you got a lot of attitude though. You ain't a soft soap though still. I see it. But I got you. Your friend side of you. Let me see your friend. Why you hide your friend?
This is my best
Come let me see you. Yeah, hide. Oh, you're the Jamaican and I hide. But you translate. We can't see you. And I like how you holding down your friend. That's how you supposed to hold down your friend. Because even though I'm a dog shit and I curse these bitches out, I believe in that we got to hold each other down. And y'all could be my daughters. That's real talk. So I know when you're young, you're going to make certain mistakes. And depending on the niggas that y'all surrounding, this is just a lesson learned. Today I heard you say I live and I learn.
Yes.
So I know you got sense.
Let me say that again. We live and we learn each and every day. Yo, we not perfect. We not.
Facts. So I'm gonna go live, and then you come, and I'm gonna add you, and I'll add people on, and we go